Something very interesting happens when we cross this line. It's almost like we're going into another neighborhood. The whole numbers live in this neighborhood, the fractions live here. And when we cross this line, we could think of it maybe as a railroad track. You go over the railroad track and you're into another community. That starts out with a smaller house. The first house in the fractions side, on the fraction side, is only has 2 rooms. When we go over the railroad track into the fractions neighborhood, we use a decimal point. It looks like a period. It's just a circle. Okay, it's different from the commas that separate the walls on this side. This is called a decimal point. The fractional sign has only 2 rooms in the first house. The tenths, can you hear the TH on the end of that? And the hundredths. So we've repeated these 2 rooms, tens and hundreds, but we've put THs on the end of it, tenths and hundredths. In fact, when you hear those THs on the ends of those words, you know you're on the fractional side. On the whole number side, we had the thousands house with 10,000s and 100,000s. On the fractional side, we have the thousandths with the thousandths room, the 10,000ths room, and the 100,000ths room. The THs are definitely on those words. On the whole number side, after the thousands family, we had the millions family. And on the fractional side, we have the millionths family. 10 with millionths, 10 millionths, and 100 millionths. I'll bet you can guess that we have the billions family on the whole number side. We have the billionths family on the fractional side. Billionths, 10 billionths, 100 billionths. And the houses just keep on going and going. So we have to infinity. But they repeat in the pattern. So let me stand back and let you take a look at most of the number line. And I'll scan it for you. Here we are on the whole number side. The houses have commas between the walls. And then we get to the fractional side. And the only symbol that we have other than the numbers is this decimal point at the railroad track where we go from the whole number neighborhood into the fractional number neighborhood. The place value system.